Hello friends, welcome back to Shanti Art and Craft. Today I am going to show you a very useful and beautiful reuse idea using old leggings. In this video, we will make a soft and colorful doormat using waste cloth. If you have old leggings at home that you are not using anytime, soft and colorful doormat using waste cloth, don't throw them away. With a little creativity, we can turn into them a beautiful handmade doormat for your home. This is a very easy and budgetful friendly craft idea. You don't need to expensive materials for this project. We are going to use old leggings and making something useful, attractive and eco-friendly. This type of craft perfect for people who love best out of waste ideas, old cloth reuse ideas and DIY home useful crafts. Let's start the video and see step by step how to make the lovely doormat. suggestions you liked the most and what kind of reuse craft idea you want to see in the next my channel. And if you are new to Shanti Art and Craft, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more old cloth reuse ideas, waste material crafts, DIY home decors, paper craft and easy handmade creations. Thank you so much for watching my video.